This is the new product developed by CMETS, which is basically contactless LCP panel. Okay, so here you have the start sensor, then you have start confirm sensor, local remote selector, and manual stop. Okay, these are the 4 indicators, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the legend for these 4 indicators are: one is for the manual run, which is when it is green, flashing, waiting for confirm, that is the start confirm. Second one is red if it is in local mode, blue if it is in remote mode. Third one is manual stop, and fourth one is the load running, which is actually the running signal. And here we have one push button connected for giving the auto start command, okay, remote. And this is the load what we have connected. So now we can see that the panel is in off condition, okay, a red which indicates number 2, it indicates it's in manual mode, and third indicator is stop signal being initiated. So now we'll start the grinder in manual mode. So first we have to give the start command. So this is the start command given, and then it has a timer of 10 seconds for which it waits. If you don't give start confirm within 10 seconds, then it will again go back to stop. So now we will give the start again, and we will give the start confirm, and now the grinder is running. You can see the indicator over here, it shows the load is running, and here the grinder is also running. Now we will stop it in manual mode, and it goes back to stop with the stop indication going blue, and it is ready for again for starting it. Now we will change the mode, and we will make it to remote mode. So now it is in remote. As you can see, the stop indication has gone because the manual stop indication has no relevance for the remote mode. And the mode over here, as you can see, blue, which is a remote mode. So now we will press the start from the push button what we have given temporary for the remote control. Once we press the start, the indication number 4 is on, which is the load indicator, and the grinder is running. So we consider this to be a latch type input. So when we remove the push button, when we release it, it will automatically go to stop. So this is the auto operation. Now we'll go back to the manual mode. And again start it in the manual mode. So we give start confirm, and while it is running in the manual mode, okay, we'll try to change the mode to auto, and let's see what happens. Yeah, once it goes to auto, it will stop. Okay, the grinder has stopped, the indication over here, load indication, has also stopped, so it will stop. Okay, now in this auto mode, we'll again no other sensors are getting activated because it is in remote mode right now. Okay, now we will start in remote. Okay, if you can press the push button, yeah, we'll start the push button, and we will try to change the mode to manual mode, and let's see what happens. Once it goes in manual, even if this command is there, the grinder is going to stop. The load indication over here, number 4, has also gone off. So it is back to start again in manual mode. So if you can release it. Now when you start again in manual, it will start in manual. Confirm. There you go. So this is basically a basic model of LCP which can be utilized for any LCP function for any kind of load, and it's a very useful technology which has been developed in the current scenario where the requirement is for contactless.